Today's topic is how to use AI to make a digital avatar. I'll walk you through a high-level process for employing digital avatars to speed up the making of videos. In this session, I'll teach AI to make a digital version of myself using a pre-recorded video. In comparison to previous ways, this strategy has cut the video shoot and production process by 75% while still being an enjoyable learning process. This AI-driven technique has a plethora of applications. Now, the technology is not perfect right now, and neither am I. 80% is good enough to get the point across. Now let's get going. The tools I used to create this tutorial are listed below. MS Word or a comparable program. Any AI program like ChatGPT that enhances your summary. I used Quillbot add-on in MS Word. For the AI video tool, I used Heygen. Since the paid version provides a lot more options to enhance your video production, I used it. Video editing software is optional. After the AI-generated video, I did use Adobe Premiere to make a few little tweaks to the audio and visual components. First, enumerate your concepts. Jot down a synopsis of your subject and intended message. After you have your brain dump of the processes, I rephrase the summary in Microsoft Word using AI Quillbot. This enhances the language and grammar to match the requirements of your theme. Step 2. As the presenter or narrator of your video topic, use Heygen Avatars. Heygen provides 3 instant avatars, so you can design your own personal digital twin. There are many pre-built avatars to choose from. Or you may make a virtual version of yourself. I'll give a brief rundown of this procedure. Note: expensive video equipment is not required. Your cell phone and reliable lighting sources are all you need. Check out Heygen's how-to videos. It's really simple. To create a digital avatar of yourself, make a 2 to 3 minute introduction video. By doing this, you will be able to train the AI to mimic your voice, mannerisms, lip sync, and body language. Using the green screen approach is not necessary. Instead, just choose any indoor or outdoor space to use as your backdrop. Note: green screen technology allows you to create an intro with multiple backdrops. To do this, I utilized a tool for editing videos. In this case, I was using Adobe Premiere Pro. There is no need for this step. After creating your intro video, use Heygen's instant avatar to post it to the platform. Heygen lets you create up to 3 instant avatar versions of yourself. Step 3. Utilizing Heygen AI video script capability, you may begin writing or automating a script after selecting your avatar. A description is an option. For instance, I asked Heygen AI to add humor and motivation to the script using this function. Here's where the good times start. Take your synopsis and go into Heygen. Heygen's AI script will be generated, and the platform will turn your text into a video script. From there, you may alter the screenplay to make a whole film with many scenes. Note: if you like, you can manually produce the video by just submitting the dialogue for each scene. I used this strategy for my sample video, and it worked beautifully. This gives you a lot more control. Step 4. Edit the video with Heygen. You can modify or crop the movie to fit your scenes, add images, and add background music. Additionally, you can choose from a variety of voices to add to your avatar. An avatar could differ depending on the scene. This adds flavor to your video. After completing the video editing, you can have Heygen create the video. After exporting the movie, you are ready to post it on the social media network of your choice. This is the completed video. You may miss out on the opportunity to stay ahead. In this demonstration, I will show you how text can be transformed into a video using AI. I hope this short tutorial was valuable. Until next time, this is Rick signing off.